Okay, so let's start with the header. Visual Art Center, post-closing trial balance. Yeah. Hey, take a pic. Let's see, it's the end of the year, December 31st. We've been using 2017. So the first thing you can do this in either order that you want to do it. You can just go ahead and list all of your accounts first and then fill in your amounts, or you can just do it account and amount each way down. So I'm just going to go ahead and fill in the accounts. Like I said, you guys can do it either way you want to. I'm just filling the accounts here. Okay, so I've got all my accounts written down. Try to move this over a little bit. Zoom it out some. Okay, so we've got our cash, $21,810. That's going to go in our debit column. Like I said, you can look at the example back here on page 496. It'll help you out with the columns too. Oh man, I wrote everything up a line. It's a bad thing about writing in pen. Okay, so cash, that goes in the debit. Our petty cash, $350. That's going to go in the debit. So I'll write that there in the side. Got our accounts receivable, debit column. Merchandise inventory, debit column. Our office supplies, again, debit column. Store, debit column. Then we've got our prepaid insurance. That goes in the debit column. Now all of these accounts, these are assets. So all of our assets went into the debit column. And then everything else, that's going to be our liabilities. Everything is going to have to be paid out. So those are all going to go in the credit column. So everything else goes in the credit column. So then after our retained earnings, we're going to write, just make that line bolder, or just kind of write over it to make it a bolder line. And then we're going to add up each one of our columns, and they should equal. Get my calculator out here. Okay. So 21, 810, 20 cents. Okay, so that side comes out to 227,000. Hey, lady, you guys paying attention in the back? $227,101.00. So the other side should come up the same way. That $227,101. So that's all you got to do for the post-closing trial balance.